In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore the missing wishlist tab in Temu using Chrome. If your wishlist tab is not showing up properly, don't worry. This is usually caused by a temporary browser glitch, an outdated page layout, or cached data that is preventing the site from loading correctly. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a few simple actions. First, start by refreshing the page in Chrome. Go to the address bar area and click the refresh button to reload the web page. This forces Chrome to request the latest version of the page, and in some cases, that alone is enough to bring back missing interface elements. If the wishlist tab still does not appear after the page reloads, move on to the next step. Next, clear your Chrome browser history, cookies, and cache files through the browser settings. This helps remove stored website data that may be interfering with how Temu is loading. Cached files are useful for speeding up browsing, but sometimes they can hold onto an older version of a page or create display problems. When you clear this data, Chrome has to load a fresh version of the site, which can often resolve hidden tabs or broken layouts. After clearing those files, reopen the site and check whether the wishlist tab is back. If the problem continues, log out of your current Temu account, close the tab completely, and then log back in. This step can reset the account layout and reload your user interface from scratch. Closing the tab is important because it helps end the current session cleanly before you sign back in. Once you log in again, give the page a moment to fully load and then look for the wishlist area. If the wishlist tab is still missing, open any product page and scroll down to the product details section. From there, click the save button or the heart icon. In some cases, the wishlist tab stays hidden until at least one item has been actively saved to your account. After you save the item, return to your account or profile area and check again. This often causes the wishlist section to appear normally. By following these steps in order, you can usually restore the missing wishlist tab without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this helped, you can repeat the same process anytime the layout behaves strangely in Chrome.